Good morning to the people on the West Coast, the East Coast. Good afternoon. 9:49 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The date 10/5/2014. I am pulling up the IWM. It's called the Small Cap iShares for the Russell. And I am going to say that the Russell 2000 index, which is the small cap of our economy, the innovators, the people that hire people. It's very important to let you know that back over here in the beginning of the year, I'm just going to show you some of the lows. I'm also going to say that in the Russell 2000, we have had a 10% correction, a 10% pullback. Just listen to me and listen carefully. The small caps lead bull rallies, as the small cap did. And right now, when we were at the lows here at 108, the low was 107.27 here, and the high of that there was 120.58, and that was done on 3/4 of 2014. Then again, we came all the way back down here, and we set this whole double top up on it, and we came right back, and we held that support level right here. And then we continued to have a choppy rally in this ETF. We are currently oversold on this ETF on the Russell 2000. Remember, it's an ETF, but it's a reflection of the Russell 2000. Russell 2000 has had a 10% pullback versus the Dow, the S&P, NASDAQ. They have not had a 10% pullback for 3 years because they haven't. And the small cap tells a story of what's actually going to happen in the other larger big cap area. So I want everyone to see that on a daily level. These bars right here is a public indicator called the moving average convergence divergent. And it was minus 1.63. The percent DS on that low, this low, that reading was 12.89. We were oversold and due for that bounce. And I'm just going to tell everybody that they have a story behind the move for the broader market. I'm going to go ahead and this is an ETF, and we're going to buy this thing at the right time. What this was Friday. We gapped into the resistance level, and that's a 10-day simple moving average. The red line, and I'll give you these moving averages right now, everyone. The 10-day is right now at 10.36. The 20-day simple is 112.79. The 50-day is 113, the 50-day simple, 113.58. The 200-day simple moving average is 114.349. This is going to be the wall of resistance. I'm going to draw another trend line, and I'm going to put it right here. Watch. Right there. This is where we consolidated. We broke out to that double top, quadruple top, and we've come back, and this is oversold, and I'm going to draw another trend line right there. The support level would be a closing level above this green bar. This was the Friday movement. So there's going to be challenges, of course, because this was a consolidation here, and this was where we broke down right here. 1 day, 2 day, 3 and 4 days, and the 5-day cycle is right here. So I'm going to conclude that this ETF is very important to be watching, and not only that, everybody, it's worth buying because it's oversold. But you have to buy the dip. and you're always looking for a confirmation in a very technically broken down chart. I mean, this thing is really broken down. So I'm going to conclude that on the ETF Russell 2000, IWM, iShares, ETF, one of the better ones out here.